everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curls by the Dozen. Today I will be doing a braid out using products from the main choice. Okay, so let's get started. I started off by washing my hair with the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo. I then went in and deep conditioned my hair with the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. This is my hair after shampooing and deep conditioning. Okay, so let's get right into styling. So I will be styling my hair with the Do It Fro the Culture line from the main choice. This right here is the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In. It says Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume, and it's powered by black charcoal and black cumin. So we'll see how this goes. I sectioned my hair into 4 sections in order for me to apply the leave-in. I think I will add just a teeny bit of water to my hair and then I will apply the leave-in. It smells like butterscotch or candy. This is my hair after applying the leave-in. My first impression would be that the leave-in is extremely thick, so I'm sure my hair should stay moisturized for days and days on end. It also smells nice, and I'm interested to see how the black charcoal plays a part in keeping my hair all the way together. So now I'm gonna apply the leave-in to the other 3 sections of my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm back. I applied the leave-in all over my hair, and this is my hair just with the leave-in. See the other side. I also added a part to my hair, a middle part, because I'd like a middle part for this style. And let's get to styling. I'm back once again. I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, as you can see, and I have this section out, and I plan to do 12 braids all over my head, so 3 in each section. I will be using the Do It Fro the Culture Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume Bold Buttery Gel. So that's definitely a mouthful. I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried this gel before, but I've heard nothing but good things. So let's open it and see. Ooh, wow, okay. This gel, it smells kind of like butterscotch, very similar to the leave-in. Also similar in color, it's like a gray grayish blackish color. As you can see, super thick. And so I'm excited to try it out. So let's see. Divide my hair into 3. I'm not doing any kind of special parting because I just really don't want to. And I think the hair comes out more natural if the parts aren't super straight, or I just separate the hair with my hands. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this section. And I will be applying the gel. So let's see. Have some of the gel. Okay, wow. I'm going to apply a little bit more water. I'm able to glide my fingers through the hair, so that's a good thing. And let me just apply a little bit more. Okay, I also have my Denman brush. I also have my bristle brush. Because I'm doing a braid out, I don't mind brushing through the hair because I do want it to get super smooth. So it comes out nice and neat. Sectioning my hair. I try to make the sections as even as possible, but you know how it is sometimes. Sometimes the hair wants to cooperate, other times it doesn't. The curls are popping at the ends. I love it. I don't really do braid outs too often, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. And then I'm going to twirl my hair around. And so here we have it. Let's get another section of hair and repeat. I'm going to add a little water. Have some gel. Rubbing it through the hair. Gonna apply a little bit more and rub it through. so these are my 3 braids. I'm going to finish up the other 9 braids and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. Hi everyone, so I am back. I finished all the braids in my head, so let me zoom in for you to see. I didn't braid all the way down to the bottom. I made sure to leave some hair out, and then I just wrapped the hair around my finger. As you can see, I did this side last because you can see the product. But this is what we have here. Okay, so this is what we have here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer until my hair is dry, and then I'll be back to show you the finished results. Okay everyone, so here's my hair. This is my final look. My hair is definitely soft like butter, definitely, and it's getting really, really long. Let's see if I can show you. I love it. My hair is super soft, super defined. I usually don't do braid outs, but I think this is super pretty. Let's zoom in. I will definitely be using these products again. Hopefully next time I use it, I'll try it for a wash and go, since we all know I am definitely a wash and go girl, but I wanted to try something different. And the hair is super fluffy, super cute. Definitely something I will try again. Please let me know what you think down below. Please comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Curlsbythedozen.